Now what if I want to see the packets that with TCP contains a specific thing? So TCP contains, as you can see, for example, get. Press enter, and if I open here, if I try to go to curl HTTP, you can see that the get is not inside this TCP. Now what if I want it to be get capital? You can see that, yeah, because here what we have done in the curl command here, we are sending a get request. So get request, so you can see that get capital here is found. Yeah, here you can see this is the bucket, and inside it we have the get, this one, we have the get request. So get slash. Now what if I want to search for slash? Yeah, by the way, you can see it is found either in the request or either in the response. And you may ask me, how did I know this is a response? Yeah, you guessed it right, from the source destination address. So the source is this IP. This IP is not my IP, the destination is my IP, which is this one. So I assume that this is for google.com. Cool. Now don't worry, we have other stuff. How did I know this is for google.com? So from here, you can see that from here, you can see or search for the host. So yeah, from the request or HTTP request, you can see that the location is like that. So the location is google.com.